So, you may be thinking, should you fly LATAM Airlines? You've been looking at flight choices and you've never heard of LATAM Airlines. Until this last summer, I had never heard of them either. So, should you fly LATAM Airlines? Let's take a look. So this summer, well, my past summer was the summer of flying and the summer of taking numerous flights. So in 1.5 months, I took, I'm not going to believe this, come closer so I can tell you, I took 19 flights. And of those 19 flights, 10 were with LATAM. So I think that makes me an expert on LATAM Airlines. Granted, they were mostly domestic type flights, either within the country or they did go from country to country, but they were short flights. So all within South America. So this is my review on LATAM Air and whether I think you should fly on LATAM Air. All the planes I flew on were all relatively new, and there was plenty of legroom and the seats were really comfortable. So you think you booking a cheaper flight and you're going to sit cramped up like a sardine in a sardine can, and that didn't happen. So that was really good. A pleasant surprise for me was when they served meals on board, because I really did not expect a budget airline where you had to pay for your baggage to go in the hold would serve meals for free on the plane. I mean, it wasn't a huge meal, it was a sandwich, but it was something, and it wasn't expected. So that was a bonus. So although LATAM are known for flying all around South America, they not only restricted to South America, they do fly all around the world as well, and they are part of the One World Alliance. So you can book on their website, you can book multi-cities, and if they don't have a LATAM Airlines flight between particular cities, they will then put in a code share one with a plane from One World Alliance. So yeah, definitely I think an airline to think about. What interested me was on their website, when you're booking a flight, you have to decide whether you want to pay for your baggage, because the baggage is not included in the flights within South America. I don't know about the flights, say, from Johannesburg to Rio, for instance. I don't know on the long haul flights, but the short haul flights, you have to pay for your baggage. You are allowed to carry sort of quite big hand luggage on board the plane, but if they think that it is too big, they will charge you when you're checking in. And what they charge you when you check in is a little bit more than what you can pay for your baggage when you book your ticket. So my advice is, if it gives an option that you can pay for your baggage online when you're booking your ticket, take that option. Do not, no, pay for it at the airport, because it is a lot more expensive. That was just my experience, because I had a large backpack that I was hoping I could sneak on as hand luggage, but yeah, that was a little bit too big. And they gave out drinks as well. Not alcohol for those who like alcohol, but you had tea and coffee. So it was great. So, do I recommend LATAM Airlines? I think so. I think for flights around South America, I give them a big thumbs up.